Hello everyone, this is Lady T here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and can you believe it? It is already Mother's Day. I am sharing with you today my Mother's Day tablescape, and I'd surely like to wish all of the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. It's not your over-the-top tablescape for Mother's Day this year. However, I'm using warm and neutral colors. I wanted to make it a little softer than usual. And if I could be quite transparent, I really did not know if I was going to do a tablescape on today. As some of you know, I recently lost my mother. It's been actually 2 years, but it feels like it was just yesterday. And I struggle with it on this time, and so I'm just happy that I was able to get it done and present it to you all and to share it with you all. I didn't want to go by and I not be able to encourage you as mothers to continue to be the greatest mothers that you are, and to encourage you also to keep going. Sometimes it gets a little tough and it gets hard, but keep going. And so folks, this tablescape will be dedicated to my mother, a mother who worked very, very hard. She was a single parent and sacrificed so many things. Not only that, but she also had a standard and an example that she lived before my sister and I. I'm so grateful that God gave me her as my mother. So guys, I want you to enjoy watching the tablescape being created and enjoy the music. I will be back at the end of the video. So guys, I'm so glad that you have stayed until the end of the video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. And I just wanted to share something with you that I found. I'm always looking for a beautiful quote to express what mothers are. And this is what I came up with. This might tickle your fancy, but this is what I found. And I found it, believe it or not, on Wayfair. You'd be surprised where you can find some beautiful things to say about mothers. However, this is how it goes. It says mother. And it says the definition is, first of all, it's a noun. And it says someone who sees the best in her kids even when they drive her crazy. Master, multitasker, expert calmer downer, lie detector, mediator, finder of all things. The hardest job in the world. One who does the work of 20 for free. And it says also, see also, superhuman, therapist, chauffeur, bodyguard, and spy. Isn't it the truth? So folks, this is what I have for you on today. Thanks again for stopping by my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. If this was your first time, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by to visit. And if you have not subscribed yet, you must do so. I upload a video every Tuesday, Tablescape Tuesdays, with a different theme. And I'm so glad to have you here. I would love for you to join us and to be a part of the family, especially on Tuesdays of every week. And so today I would just love to say Happy Mother's Day. You are so many things to so many people, and today you're celebrated for the beautiful people and person that you are. Have a great Mother's Day, everyone. God bless.